Alright everyone, as Bitcoin is breaking through resistance, heading towards all-time high, I'm going to show you the Elliott wave count I am looking at. We're going to go over some price targets if and when all-time high breaks. I'm also going to show you an alternate count that you really need to watch out for that says all-time high is not going to break. And it's something I'm eyeing up, and I'm going to show you how it changes the count here. But we're going to go over some smaller time frame stuff as well, show you if you want to get into this pump to the upside, where to get in. And yeah, stick around guys. This is an important video because I really need to bring this wildcard count to your attention. You need to know that this is a very good possibility that this might be playing out and what it means for the overall count. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, we use Elliott wave theory to come up with high probability trades. Guys, Elliott wave is the best way to trade by far. In my last video, if you watched it, I showed you the perfect spot to long, showed you an ABC pattern coming down. We ended up getting that pattern here. I have it drawn out. We did not reach our targets right here, but we came down close enough. In the premium Discord, we closed out our trades here, thankfully, because it did turn around and start impulsing back to the upside. So guys, you know, if you want to go into the premium Discord, join the free Discord linked in the description below, and you will see you can upgrade to premium here for daily alerts, 24/7 live charts. If you're in the free Discord, join up. Like, I post trades in here too, and updates. Right now I'm running a promotion for the premium, so if you join premium, you'll get $25 off the first month if you use the code ILOVEALEX. So give it a try, guys, if you want. I have an indicator I include in here for you, free indicator with all my settings, and a full Elliott wave course if you're interested. All right, let's get into the charts, guys. So we're gonna look big picture. I'm on just the weekly time frame. This is the overall count that I am looking at. The clear, obvious thing is that all-time high gets broken. I am saying it's just going to be a liquidity sweep. Why are my targets right here? I will show you. If we go into log scale, if this is an ABC, we're drawing our fib extension like so. A, B into the C, and as you can see, we are right on our fib extension box. The top of that box, the 1618, comes in around let's see, comes in around 78k. You know, it could overshoot it a little bit. You don't want to overshoot it too far, but you know, anywhere from 78 to 83k, somewhere in this range. And that's a perfect ABC correction. And if you've been watching this channel, you know ABC down, ABC up. We're looking for an impulsive wave down. So it's an overall a big flat correction from an ABC, and then you get your massive move to the upside. That is the primary count right now. That is what I am playing. And before we go into smaller time frame stuff and show you what's going on immediately, where you can get into these trades, I do want to show you this alternate count. It's a wildcard count, guys, and it's honestly a very real possibility. With, you know, when I'm looking at other coins and how their waves are progressing, it really matches up well with the overall crypto market and the overall market. So what is this count that we are speaking of? Well, let me just clear everything off. We're gonna go into the daily time frame. Now stay with me. And also, guys, I'm sorry, I posted a video last night and there was a video playing in the background, and I didn't know because I don't use headphones when I record these, so sorry about that, but we got an even better video today for you. So yeah, the wildcard count is, and actually before we get into the wildcard count, guys, go into the link in the description below or to the pinned comment. Blowfin is my exchange that I use now. Blowfin is no KYC, no VPN, amazing liquidity, super smooth website, super smooth app, so many coins to trade. Right now, if you click the link in the description or in the pin in the first comment, you will get 15% on your deposits. On your deposits is a 15% bonus, and you get entered into the trade to win prizes up to a Rolex promotion. So it's just trading volume. As you know, leverage trading, your volume racks up so quick. So go get these prizes. Go get your 15% gain on your portfolio right now. Head over to Blowfin, sign up with a freaking email. It's so easy, guys. Go check them out. I love them. I support them. This is what I use. This is what I trade on. This is what everyone's trading on now, honestly, if you're no KYC. The promotion's only good for about a month here, so go cash in on this and throw some trades in. Let's go. So what's the wildcard count? Well, the wildcard count is it's crazy. It's saying that this is instead of a wave 4 right here, 1 2 3 4 5. It's saying that we already have our 1 2 3 4 5 put in here, and it's our wave 4 of this more massive structure. Here's our wave 2, here's our wave 4. So overall, 1 2 3, we're still in wave 4, 5. And what I'm looking at here is an extremely complex correction, but that's what wave 4s do, in which we have a correction down, we have a flat correction up, and we will get another correction down, and that will put in our WXY like so. Now, why does this look like a flat to me? Well, if you pull your fibs right here, we are coming up, we are right on the 1-to-1 extension of this move. And I am looking at this as 5 waves completed. It's looking very, very done. I'm not gonna lie to you. At least for this wave. So you can at least expect some type of correction down before more continuation. But it's dangerous when you're completing a wave and there is a possibility, and we're right on a perfect fib extension, the 1-to-1. If we look at the daily, we're getting quite, getting to that overbought area. We're not quite there yet, but we're getting there. And we're due for a reset on daily RSI. Definitely like the 4 hour, the 6 hour, the 2 hour. Like, look, we are definitely overbought on these time frames. We're due for a correction at the bare minimum. And when I see a finished 5 waves completed, 1 2 3 4 5, it just leads me to believe that this is definitely a possibility. And looking at other charts, like, let's just go over to Solana real quick. Looking at Solana, I mean, this, if we're going to keep pushing up, you're saying that this is done. You're saying that's finished. And this is finished. And it just doesn't look finished. It looks like a WXY is in order, where you have, here's your W wave, X wave, and then here's your Y wave coming down like this. Double correction. Break the lows, put in your Y wave, and then you go, right? Now that's a more finished look. For this to be valid on Solana, by the way, you can't break this high right here at 189. We threatened it. 188, we touched it. Had a nice rejection, so we'll see if that holds. But that's what I would need for this to look good to me. But going back over to Bitcoin, if we get this massive WXY, then it looks better. Something like this, where you have your 1 2 3 4 5. The symmetry on the 2 wave to the 4 wave is beautiful. Where this 5 wave could end up at this point, I mean, it's anyone's guess. Usually you're gonna, here, let's go on regular scale. Usually you're gonna kind of measure wave 1 and that's a good starting point for where this would end up. As you can see, it doesn't do anything for us. Next thing it likes to do is go to the 618 of wave 1 to wave 3. So we'll measure that. Something like that maybe. That would do. That would get you to around 85k. That would get you to around 85k. So if we get a move like this, 85k would be my target. If we do get a rejection here like this, I will be looking to long this spot quite heavily. Down around 48, 50k. And then, you know, from here, say it pumps to 85k, then you would expect a larger retrace on a larger scale, and that would be our 1-2 into our 3 wave, which would be absolutely massive. And this 2 wave can take its sweet time. It can just really take a while, get us into 2025, 2026, 2020, mid 2026, and then we have our 1 wave put in, 2 wave, and then we get our monster jam. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Probably even higher than that, guys. Probably like this is what we're looking at. We're looking at extremely, probably even higher than that, guys, if this is the count. Like, we're looking at 300k plus, and not like this is not a drill. Like, that's the wave structure that we're looking at. Okay, so you know, but in this time frame, some shit's gonna go down. Shit's gonna hit the fan, and you know, that's what you need to come down here and tap these liquidity zones. So this is what I'm looking at, guys. Let's go smaller time frame. Let's go smaller time frame for you. We'll check it out. I don't want to make this video too long, so we're just gonna hit this quick. This is just the 2 hour and the hourly, and honestly, as I said, it looks like 5 waves done. I gave you this spot to long down here, guys. It was there in my last video. Now, if you want this to break all-time high, you are looking for a correction down, come into some liquidity, and then we impulse out of here like so. If I see a nice corrective move down to around 66k come into this zone, I will be looking long. You better believe I will be looking long, looking for this being a 1-2 into our 3-4-5 to get us to our 76, 78k targets. And then you have your 1-2-3-4-5 wave structure. That's it. So right now I'm looking for a nice rejection here, a pullback. Look to fire a little bit of a short here on a pullback. Take it down to around 66k, and then we're flipping long. That's just the move. That's what I'm playing right now. All right. So do with that information what you will, guys. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. I appreciate it. Like the video if you got something out of this. Like the video if you watched it all the way through. Hit the links in the description below. Join the Discord. Blowfin. Capitalize on that bonus. Do it now. Thanks for watching. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.